County Battery Services Limited, it takes recycling very seriously, collecting over 25 tonnes of waste batteries per month that may otherwise have ended in landfill or worse. To recognise this and other green successes, the company was awarded the prestigious Investors in Environment Green Award in 2015, 16, 17 and 18. The company has applied for planning permission to build a new warehouse on land adjacent to the current premises. This will house the new battery testing laboratory and the new battery recycling system, which will create at least 4 new positions. The company even has its own bespoke battery building department, which builds or rebuilds lithium battery packs for power tools, e-bikes and portable electrical devices. County Battery Services Limited may be the first company in the UK to offer such a service.